Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the southwest of Las Vegas checking out the community of Catalina by KB Homes. For today's property tour, we're going to check, floor plan 2175. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way you receive the notification when we do upload these tours. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are, the southwest end of Las Vegas, in the community of Catalina by KB Homes. And for today's property tour, we're gonna be checking out plan 2175. Also just did a property tour on 1768 right over there. I will have the link on the top right-hand screen if you wanna check it out. But definitely recommend checking this one out first. Let me wait till definitely a lot of construction. You can see, look at that. I'm gonna wait this tractor to pass by. That way I can give you the details. It's not too loud. So this one is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It is a 2,175 square feet, 2-car garage. Starting base price is $536,990. HOA here is $92 a month. Gated community. And actually, let me pause. There's a lot of, I do apologize for a lot of noise. Definitely a lot of construction. Look at this, guys. They're watering the street right now, and I don't want to get wet, so I got to get it here on top of this driveway. So like I said, $92 a month, gated community. Total of 4 different floor plans. So they have 2 models here available, just the 2175 and the 1768, which is right over there. But they do have 2 other options, which they're pretty popular plan. The 2469. Surprised it's not modeled here, but that's one of KB's more popular floor plans that they do have here throughout the Las Vegas area. They are going to be building 37 homes here in the community, so not a very large community. Check it out. And also, I know I mentioned that base price, guys, of $536,990. Keep in mind, guys, that does not include any lot premiums or upgrades. Lot premiums here are starting at $14,000, and upgrades, well, rule of thumb, like I always like to say on my videos, guys, it kind of just depends on you, but I would probably use about 10 to 15% just to give you an estimate on top of the base price. That way, you have a good idea. I have the 14,000 lot premiums plus 10 to 15. That's going to give you a good idea of what these homes are going for. And also, in this community, they have, like I said, they have different options. So, homes here vary from 3 bedrooms up to 5 bedrooms, 1,168 square feet to up to 2,069 square feet. And they range between 107,000 to up to 570,000 base price, guys. And just to give you a reference, here in this community, we are 23 minutes away from the strip, about 20 minutes to the airport, and 10 minutes to downtown Summerlin. So now, let's go inside and check out this beautiful home. Enough of me yapping, right? And all this construction noise. So it makes it very challenging to make these videos, but we work around it. We'll make it work. But here, got this front covered porch. Here's that plan number, guys, 2175. Look at this, guys. As soon as you walk in, got a long stretch of hallway. You got the luxury vinyl planks, light color, I like that. And then here off to the right, you do have coat closet. Here you're gonna have your powder room. And it's kind of funky, right? Because the toilet is literally behind that door. So you would, obviously you're gonna close it anyways, but you kind of have to like, let me see. I'm gonna kind of show you. So you kind of have to kind of squeeze in this little corner, close the door, and then take care of business, right? So just wanted to let you know that's what I noticed off the bat. That's gonna be to your two-car garage locked. I'm gonna check it out. Check this out, guys. So here's your living room, there's your dining, and your kitchen. So first, let me just show you this living room because this is the first thing you see. So I would say it's a nice sized living room, in my opinion. Not too bad. They have a nice oversized sectional and still plenty of space, guys. See? I like how it has those windows. You got the slider. Got more windows over there. Dining room area right here. I like how it has its own space. It's all nice and, you know, well positioned and very functional layout. And here's your kitchen. You got the quartz countertop. Seats easily 4 people. And it has like the light brown cabinets with the black hardware. Very modern look. You got your dishwasher. You do have the sink that's not on the island. That's on the outside of the kitchen. You got your nice window right there. Wash dishes. To the outside, maybe you can see your neighbors, I don't know. Your stove, microwave, refrigerator, and then right over here is your pantry. Let me show you here on this side as well, this island, so you have more storage here. All those pots and pans, dishes, whatever. Let me see, do you have storage on this side? No, you don't. But yeah, I mean, here it is. Let me stand over here. I'm gonna stand over here to show you a quick look of this whole first floor that you can pretty much see right here in this open floor plan concept right here downstairs. Not too bad, right? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Let me show you the backyard. So like I mentioned, lot premiums are starting at $14,000. Before you freak out, guys, you know, it's probably due to the location. It's at Southwest in Las Vegas. Very centralized to kind of nice amenities around, you know, not too 10 minutes from Summerlin, guys, and you're not paying Summerlin prices. You know, I get clients that say, hey, remember, I want to be as close as I can get to Summerlin. This is pretty much it right here, and you're not breaking the bank. I'm not saying this house by any means is super cheap, but you're not paying Summerlin prices, I'll tell you that. But here it is, check out this lot. Not too bad, right? Keep in mind, you're not gonna get this landscaping. When you do buy a new construction home, just a clean slate. So just something to be mindful. You do have 12 months to complete your backyard. Now let's go inside and check out the second floor. If you guys are enjoying this property tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Like my video, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That's all I ask, guys. If you're not gonna call me, at least do that. Look at straight shot. Also, as we head upstairs, guys, you know, if you guys are looking to buy into a new construction community or home, same thing, right? And you guys would like to have a realtor like myself, which I hope so, guys. But if not, guys, still important, because if you do have your own realtor, that it's very important that we do come with you to this community or any other new construction community on the first initial visit, guys. Because if we don't, the builder will not allow us to represent you guys. So if you guys would like a seasoned agent by your side, help you negotiate not just the best price, incentives, go, you know, be with you every step of the way, make sure the contract, everything's looking good to your benefit, reach out to me. I will have my contact info below, guys. But here, when you walk upstairs, you do have nice little loft. It's definitely not your biggest, but it's something, right? 8-foot ceilings upstairs, so straight over there is the primary. Before, let's check out the bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 1. Yeah, it's empty. So you're gonna have to use your imagination, guys. I do apologize. Be mindful. May look small, but When you come look at it in person, it could be bigger. That is a challenge when you do, see these homes with no furniture. But here's bedroom number 2. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but you do have 8-foot ceilings here upstairs. Then bedroom number 3. Let me try to hurry up because there's people about to walk in and come check out this floor plan. And then here's your hallway bathroom. And I just like to be respectful of people's privacy. Don't like to be recording people, or sometimes even if they're not on camera, you can still sometimes listen into the conversation, and definitely not something I would want to do. Then, right here you have a linen closet. And then right here, you have your laundry room. And then here is the primary bedroom, guys. Nice and spacious in my opinion. King size bed, you still got nightstands. Look at this. Look at this. Not too bad, right? Now let's go check out the primary bedroom. There's dual vanity. Same color cabinets as the kitchen. And right over here, you have your stand-up shower. The nice sized bench. Look at this. Not too bad, right? Do love how it's the black trim. Love that. Linen closet. And right here is the toilet. Last but not least, your primary closet. Let me open this door. Push it open, but yeah, here it is. Check it out, even goes over here too as well. Well, let me know what you guys think of this floor plan, guys. If you guys would like to come schedule a private showing, this plan or another plan, other community resale homes looking to sell, I will have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. And do me a huge favor, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you don't want to miss any upcoming property tours, then tap that notification bell. That way you receive the notifications when we do upload these property tours. Until next time, guys.